a seasoned financial consultant and the author of Beyond Risky Equities and Snail Like Debt, the hybrid recipe for success. With decades of experience, I am here to guide you on the path toward smart investing.
Are you looking for a balanced approach to investing? Hybrid funds are like a well-crafted recipe, blending different ingredients to suit all seasons. In this video, we'll explore hybrid funds, an often overlooked but powerful tool for investors. Hybrid funds are designed to give you the perfect mix of safety and growth, balancing equity and debt, just like balancing the flavors in a dish. These funds are an all-season investment option, offering a middle ground between conservatism and aggressive growth. Hybrid funds carefully balance risk and return, making sure your investments align with your financial goals. Let's explore the different types of hybrid funds available to investors. These categories offer different mixes of equity, debt, and gold, catering to varying risk appetites. SEBI classifies hybrid funds into 6 categories, each offering varying combinations of equity and debt. Understanding these can help you tailor your portfolio. Seeking stability and steady income? Conservative hybrid funds prioritize debt investments, offering lower risk and consistent returns. Looking for growth with moderate risk? Balanced hybrid funds provide a balanced mix of equity and debt for potential long-term gains. Balanced advantage funds, or BAFs, take the guesswork out of market timing. They dynamically adjust their equity and debt holdings based on market valuations. Let's look at this chart. When market valuations are high PE, BAFs reduce equity exposure to manage risk. When valuations are low PE, they increase equity allocation to capitalize on potential growth. This dynamic approach helps them potentially deliver better risk-adjusted returns over time. Want a portfolio built for resilience in any market? Multi-asset allocation funds, or MAFs, offer just that. MAFs go beyond just stocks and bonds. They include alternative assets like gold, which tends to hold its value during market volatility. This diversified approach helps cushion your portfolio, making MAFs suitable for a wide range of investors. Tax-efficient growth your goal? Equity savings funds offer tax advantages while aiming for long-term capital appreciation. Capital protection funds, or CPFs, prioritize preserving your invested capital. They aim to return at least the initial investment amount, although this isn't guaranteed. They achieve this through a mix of fixed income securities for capital preservation and a smaller portion of equities for potential growth. Choosing the right hybrid fund depends on 2 things: your risk appetite and financial goals. Let's take a closer look. If you're conservative, consider funds with a higher debt component. If you're aggressive, look for funds with more equity exposure. Align your hybrid fund choice with your financial goals, whether you're saving for retirement, an emergency fund, or a major purchase. Did you know? The way a hybrid fund is taxed depends on its composition. Choosing the right one can actually boost your returns by minimizing your tax burden. Let's see how. Conservative hybrid funds, with a larger portion invested in debt, 65–80%. These funds are taxed like debt instruments. This can be advantageous for those in higher tax brackets seeking stable income. Equity savings funds. These funds lean towards equities, aiming for 30–65% allocation. Importantly, they use strategies to keep their equity exposure above 65%, ensuring they're taxed like equity funds. This translates to potential tax benefits, especially for those investing for the long haul. Choosing the right hybrid fund starts with understanding your investor profile. This table highlights several common profiles and the strategies that align with them. But it doesn't stop there. In my book, Beyond Risky Equities and Snail Like Debt, The Hybrid Recipe for Success, we'll explore each profile in detail and provide actionable steps to handpick the best hybrid funds for your needs. Beyond Risky Equities and Snail Like Debt, The Hybrid Recipe for Success is your ultimate guide to mastering hybrid fund investing. With over 100 pages of expert insights, you'll discover how to analyze funds, manage risk, and build a portfolio that sets you up for long-term success. Get your copy today and start your journey towards financial freedom. They provide flexibility, stability, and the potential for steady growth, making them suitable for investors with varying goals. In conclusion, Think of hybrid funds as a well-balanced meal. You get the right mix of essential ingredients to suit your financial palate. As we've seen, hybrid funds offer that balance of growth and stability, making them ideal for long-term goals like achieving financial freedom. And one of the most effective ways to harness the power of hybrid funds is through systematic investment plans, or SIPs. If you're new to SIPs or want to learn how to create a plan that aligns with your financial goals, my book, Demystifying SIPs for Financial Freedom, can be a valuable resource. It provides a step-by-step guide to get started on your journey toward financial freedom through the power of SIP. Want to learn more about mutual funds and make smarter investment decisions? Visit my blog for free resources.